Let's capture the festive Christmas season with our paint brushes using watercolors. This is the first painting in Watercolor Christmas card series. This is the sketch needed for this painting, and the link to the sketch is given in the description from where you can download the image. First, I start by wetting the background, that is, I don't wet inside the flame, candle, or holy leaf. Using gamboge yellow, I paint around the flame. I'm using wet on wet technique to paint the background. Next to gamboge yellow, I'm using orange, permanent orange, to paint around the flame. Place the board on a flat surface so that the pigment doesn't move much out of its area. Next, I'm applying indigo pigment and blending the indigo pigment with permanent orange. After applying indigo pigment, now tilt the board and allow the excess pigment to flow downwards. Wipe those excess pigment that is collected near the tape using a waste cloth. Now try to define the edges of the candle and the edges of the holly leaf. I'm using size 8 round brush to define the edges of the candle and of the holly leaf. To paint the background, I used a mop brush of size 18. After painting the edges of the candle and holly leaf, allow the paper to dry completely. Second step is to paint the candle. We are going to use wet on wet technique to paint the candle. So first I wet the candle portion. Then using vermilion hue, I paint the candle. I'm using light value of vermilion hue to paint the top portion of the candle. And also you can see that I have left some white area at the left side of the candle to show the reflection of the light. The light source is assumed to be at the left side of the candle, so there is a reflection on the left side of the candle. By mixing vermilion hue with indigo, we get a dark red which is used to paint the outer ring of the candle. Next, using vermilion hue, I'm painting the sides of the candle. Be careful not to paint inside the holly leaf. As we have assumed that the light source is on the left side of the candle, the right side of the candle is going to be the dark part. To paint the dark part of the candle, I mixed vermilion hue with small amount of indigo. Next, paint the dark zone of the wick using indigo. Third step is painting the holly leaf. It is done in 2 layers. For the first layer, I'm giving a light value of olive green. After painting the first layer, I allowed it to dry completely. While the leaf is getting dry, I'm painting the berries using vermilion hue. For each berry, I leave some white area to show the highlight created by the light source. Next, I'm painting the second layer of holly leaf using olive green. For the first layer, I used light value of olive green. For the second layer, I'm using dark value of olive green. After painting the holly leaves, I lift some paint from certain areas of the leaf to show the reflection of light on those leaves. We reached the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.